Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we're going to learn how to create Google My Business account or Google My Business profile for your business. So, if you are very beginner with online business or with e-commerce, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, before starting creating our Google My Business profile or adding our physical business on digital platform like Google My Business for local search ranking or bring more traffic from local area or reach more customers in local area by online for free, then Google My Business is the best tools for any online business. So I hope you understand the basic things of the benefit of Google My Business profile or add your business on Google My Business. Okay, also we are going to learn more details about it, and here is the more details. You can see that Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile, is one of the most powerful tools for local SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, because it's directly influence how your business appear on the Google search and especially on the map. Here, why it's so important. Key reason Google My Business matter for local SEO. Visibility in local search result. When someone search for service like near me or using the near me keyword, Google often show a local pack map plus top 3 business. A well optimized Google My Business profile increase your chance of appearing there. Trust and creativity. Trust and credibility. Review photos and accurate business details while trust with potential customers. A complete profile signal legitimacy and professionalism. Accurate business information. Customers, a complete profile signal legitimacy and professionalism. Accurate business information. Customer rely on Google My Business for hours, contact info, direction and update. Keeping this current reduce friction and improve customer experience. Boost engagement and conversion. Featured like post offer and QA let you interact directly with customers. This engagement can drive more call, visit and sales. Insight and analytics. Google My Business provide data on how customer find you, what action they take like call, click or request for direction, and which keyword trigger your listing. This help refine your SEO strategy. Here is the quick comparison: website SEO versus Google My Business SEO. So you can learn more by search on the AI or search on Google about website SEO and Google My Business SEO. So we are going to ignore it right now because we are not going to show you the comparison. We just focus on Google My Business benefit and how we can create our account and set up it. And finally, here is the takeaway. Google My Business is not just a directory listing, it's a local SEO engine. Remember, it's a local SEO engine. Without it, even a well optimized website may struggle to capture nearby customers searching on Google. Think of it as your digital storefront that complement your website and social media present. So I hope you understand the benefit, and as a SEO expert, I can ensure you that you must have to start Google My Business or local SEO for your business to get more customers from local area or rank your business on the local search result. Okay, so now we are going to learn how we can add our business on local Google My Business. So in this tutorials we are going to add this business. This is actually a online grocery shop, and we are going to add this business for local area customers. And to draw this, first of all, we have to go to business google.as business profile, or you can directly search on Google My Business account create. Just search with this, then click on the first result, and you can see the same result in here. Okay, when you are on this page, then you have to click on the signing, and if you already logged in with your Gmail, then you can see the same interface. And if you have others business profile in your account or in your Gmail, then you can see all the business list in here. Okay, when you are here, then click on the add business, then click on the add single business, click on it. Now you have to add business information. You must have to add all the business information accurately. You cannot, if you share any misinformation, then your account will be suspended or rejected to approve by Google My Business. Okay, so now we are going to start add business information. First of all, add business name, just adding everything from the website so that there will not be any mistake. Okay, then business category, or online store, or e-commerce service, or add grocery store. Then click on the next, and then do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store? Yes, we want. Next, enter your business address. Now we are going to add our business address in here. So we have added all the business information in here. Okay, okay, okay. So you must have to add all this information like so. Click on the next. Then, is this your business? No. None of this. I will add my business. So click on the next. And right now I am on this business location. Then we have to click on the adjust. Then it will be automatically adjusted. Okay, now we are going to adjust, and let's see, is it showing accurately? Okay, I have added the business location. Okay, here is the our location. Click on the done. Next, yes, you have to add legal information. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? Yes. Okay, we can add our service area in here, but it's optional for now. So click on the next. Then we have to add phone number. So we are going to add phone number in here right now. So here is the phone number in this website. You can see that. Then website, here's the website. We can add www. Okay, then chat number will be same. WhatsApp, we're going to add this, and we have to convert WhatsApp chat URL. So go to the chat GPT and command or write prompt, convert this number into WhatsApp link to chat. Okay, copy it, edit, then click on the next. Right now we have to verify our business on Google business profile. So there are three options. You can get it very easy way. Just get code to your phone and share the secret code to verify it. Another by email, another by business video. So the phone is not available right now on my hand, so I'm going to try with email. So select this one, but I recommend to always try with phone code. This is the easy and fastest way. Then if it does not work for anyhow or any reason, it's maybe any technical reason from Google My Business support or their platform, but 99% be sure that it will be super easy and fast. You will get code on your phone, then you can share this code with Google and easily you can verify instantly your business. Then the third option, business video, but I'm going to try with option 2. So click on the next, then I have to add Google My Business. Yes, next I'll get a code on my email. Here I have already logged in my email, so I'm just trying to get the email or verify. Yes, you see Google business profile, here is the code. You see I have got the code, so share this code in here and my business will be verified instantly. Yes, it's verified. Next, now we have to add business hour. For example, you have to add for now we're just going to add 24 hours. Okay, as a grocery shop we keep it open 24 hours. Okay, then add business description. So we are just going to add a drum business information in here. Perfect. Next, then we have to add image. So right now we are going to add a image in here. So going to add a image, save it, save this image. Okay, Going to add this title of this image. This is SEO friendly. Okay, and drag and drop. Perfect. Click on the next, and we have to add photo. Here is the logo. We're going to add this logo. Okay, we are going to add this logo in here. Okay, drag and drop. Perfect. Click on the next, and we have done. We are not going to get started any advertisement, just skip it for now, and our profile is ready. You see, here is our profile fully ready. Its looks profile stand looks good, 100% green, and as we just added, our image will display in here one by one. So we have to wait a little bit time to update everything. So I hope you understand how we can create Google My Business profile and how we can make the profile stand 100% good. So it will be super easy for anyone, and you can do this without hiring any marketing expert or technical expert. And I create this video only for all the non-technical person and new entrepreneur also who want to learn Google My Business SEO or local SEO, online marketing, e-commerce business marketing. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.